Hey y'all, I have a team. I'm here to talk about cockatiels. I have one cockatiel. She was hand fed. Yeah, her name is Chema. I thought I was hoping for a boy, but it was turned out to be a girl. Say hi, Chema. This one, his name is Mo. I bought him 2 days ago, and he's not tamed at all. My attempting to tame him, it's going to be quite some time. It's going to take patience and just patience. And you see right now, he doesn't like me. He's very hyper, and he's a male. Very pretty. He kisses at me because he's not comfortable with me. I'm giving him a couple days, probably like a week or two, to get used to his environment, to get used to me. After those days have passed, I'm gonna start, being with him more and talking to him and trying to put my hand in the cage. But right now, it's just him getting used to me. But with this buddy, well, she's eating. I gotta clean her cage today. But yeah. Yeah, he's very talkative, but doesn't like me right now. I don't know, should I put him in the same place? Because pretty soon, I'm gonna put both of them in the same cage. But I'm going to do that when he's tamed. I don't know. We'll see. Because I don't want to grab him by the towel and grab him and put him in the cage because he loses trust with me. So I don't want to lose his trust right now. He doesn't trust me. But I don't want to get him more afraid of me than what he is now. So I'm just going to wait until he could learn how to trust me and to be tamed. Then I will put him into this cage with my little friend Chema. She's very lovable. Yeah, she comes everywhere with me. Don't you? I kisses her all the time and be with her. Yeah. Look like the bird is so interested in me. Very interested in her. Let's see how they do. Before I did that yesterday, she did not like it. She flew to the floor and walking away. Oh, you see? Like that. She doesn't really like Mo that much. Do you blame her? Mo is crazy, huh? He's cuckoo for you. He's cuckoo for you. Give besitos. Besitos. Yeah. I got a non-tame one. I want to see. I wanted to challenge myself if I can tame him, and plus he's very beautiful color. And where I live in my area, they don't sell